Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you everything about open redirect vulnerability. This is the second video of our bug bounty series. So let's get into the video. So in this video we will see how we can find open redirect vulnerabilities, what is open redirect vulnerability, and we will discuss some reports too. So first of all, let me tell you what is open redirect vulnerability. I wrote something. According to OWASP, Open Web Application Security Project, an open redirect occur when an application takes a parameter and redirect a user to that parameter value without any conducting any validation on the value. The vulnerability is used in phishing attacks to get user to visit malicious sites without realizing. It abuses the trust of the given domain and lead user to another one. The malicious website serving as the redirect destination could be prepared to look like a legitimate site and try to collect personal and sensitive information. A key to this is a user just needing to visit the URL and can be redirected elsewhere. In other words, you are looking for a GET request with no user interaction other than visiting a link. So this is what open redirect vulnerability looks like. In this you are just modifying the redirect location to a malicious site, and if you are able to do this, then you have successfully found the open redirect vulnerability. If you want to know how to find it, then a link is given in the description. When you click on the link, you will redirect to this page. This is my blog website. Here I already made a blog how to find open redirect vulnerabilities. Here you will see that a link is given here how to find open redirect vulnerability. Click on it. It will take you to a Portswigger blog where using burp to test for open redirections. This one. Yes. Let me tell you how you can find it. First of all, just capture the host and spider the host. First of all. Then find 3xx for redirection, or you can just add a slash to the domain in other methods. You can just watch them on GitHub or something like that. You will just add a slash and enter URL like https://www.bing.com, and if the website is redirected, then you will successfully find the open redirect vulnerability. I will show you that in a report breakdown. So let's take a look at this currently. So you have to find 3xx for redirections. Now sitemap, then you have to go to the sitemap and look at the request, which one is available for 300 response. Then you have to just send it to repeater, then do active scan, or you can just manually follow redirection. You can read this whole blog. It is very simple. It is the best blog if you want to learn how to find open redirections. Then you have to click on the follow redirection button. Then just try to change the redirection parameter, and if you change the redirection parameter and the response changes every time you change the parameter, then yes, you have successfully find a bug, which is open redirect vulnerability. Okay, now let me tell you some report breakdowns. Here a report is available. Let me click on it. Here it is opening. It is a HackerOne report 311330. This is found on SEMrush. We all know the SEMrush is for traffic. If you have a blog or something like that, it is awarded $100 bounty, and weakness is open redirect. It is disclosed and resolved. You can see that the open redirect is found on the main domain, where the redirection URL equals to something else, but here the attacker changed the redirect equals to URL to http://bing.com, and currently it is resolved, but when it is not resolved, you will redirect it to the Bing website, to the bing.com. So this is how it looks like, and if you want to know more about, then you can just go to this website. I will also include this into my blog website, so you can find what is this. In this very good explanation of open redirect is given. So this is what is open redirect vulnerability. If you found this video useful, then subscribe to the button given in the description, and don't forget to go to our blog and subscribe to us there. Thanks for watching.